Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can filter out Gmails and organize your Gmails so you don't get confused. We're not just talking about marketing things as a read. I will walk you through step by step how to make emails automatically go where they should without lifting a finger. So let's jump now. Alright, first thing first, when you open a Gmail, you will notice tabs like primary, social, and promotional, like at the top. Now, these are categories that Google sets for you, but we are more interested in labels. They work like folders to create yourself. You will find those on the left side, left panels. It's like if you see in the left, you will get to see this inbox options and started. These are labels. So for example, this is a label. And now, for example, let's say you are a freelancer and you want all your clients invoice in one spot. You can create a new label so all the invoices will go there, not it will not come in the primary section. So so let's make it. Just simply say you always get monthly bills from example gmail.com. What you have to do is, if you want them to automatically go to your invoice label, for example, I will create a label. So what I will do is just simply click a label. For example, I got an email from my second client, and related to invoice I will create a new label, one, and this one. So I want all the emails to be here. So what I will do is just, so click on this filter option, and now over here you have to enter the email. For example, I have an email. So I got the email. In the form field, type the email, or even a keyword in the subject line like electricity bill or invoice related things. For example, if you want to search for email, just simply add email and choose that, and click on the create filter. Now to for example, now Gmail asks, what do you want to do when this type of email arrives? So skip the inbox, archive it, and then apply the label invoice. Choose the invoice one and mark as a important, and give where is a mark as a important. Always mark it as important. Just simply click and create a filter. So what I will do is just go in a different email, and email again, send, click on the send, and click on the compose, enter the email, and write the subject invoice, and type whatever you want, and click on the send. So as you can see here, if you go into invoice and refresh it, as you can see here, that email comes in this label which I have selected earlier. So let's say your job, like, now filtering based on keywords or domains. Now filter aren't just for specific senders, like let's say you are a job hunting and keep getting interview emails from different companies, all with the interview in the subject. So you use that keyword instead. Now filter with the subject interview. How you are going to do that? Just simply click on this three dots. Now you have to search for keyword in the subject. For example, I have earlier sent it. For example, we will create another label so you don't get confused. Interview, and create a label, and just click again and type subject interview, and create a filter, and skip them all and choose interview, and never always mark it as an important. Create a filter. Now it has created a filter. Now send again an email to take, and subject will be interview and hello. Send. Now just refresh it, so it will appear over here in the interview box. So as you can see here, you can filter by domain like email, and the subject with its subject as well. So this is a very useful thing to do. And let's labeling existing emails. All right, now let's talk organizing old emails. Say you have got bunch of past recipient around from online shopping. You don't want to lose them, but they are clinging up your inbox. No problem. What you have to do is to just simply select that email. For example, I will choose this Facebook, and from here you have to label as, just right click on the that email and click on the label as, and you can just choose the label as I will choose this one, or interview, and it will redirect into interview section, as you can see here. So you just select them and click the label icon on the top and tag them as a recipient. Done. They are now neatly tucked away. Want to got So you can apply filter to future emails and existing ones if you want. You can filters can also be used to automatically delete, mark as a read, and never send to spam. Great for newsletter you love but don't want in your inbox. You can edit or delete filters anytime under the settings filter and blocked addresses. That's it. You now have a Gmail inbox that works for you, from organizing job emails to sorting recipients. And even auto highlighting your manager's email. So if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.